describe one of the world's most important art forms. And today, thousands of people dream of being involved in the movies. But once you decide to become a filmmaker, what do you do next? Enrolling on a film program is a good place to start. This is the City College of New York. It opened in 1849 as a free centre of education. It was for the children of families who couldn't afford to pay expensive university fees and offered courses in many different subjects, such as mathematics, literature, and philosophy. In 1941, the college started its Masters Institute of Film Techniques program, and there has been a film production course here ever since. Today's course is a 2-year degree with 4 semesters. It focuses on every part of filmmaking, so students know how to create a film from original idea to finished product. There are only 25 places on the course, so the classes are small. This encourages students to work in small groups and means that they have a close relationship with their teachers. This is important as filmmaking is a collaborative process. For the next 2 years, these students will work together a lot on each stage of a film's development. At the moment, these students are working on a script. It's important the script has an exciting story, but it also has to be realistic. After all, these students will have to film and edit it with a limited amount of time and money. These students are shooting their film. Each person has a different role. Nick is the camera operator. Louisa is recording the sound, and Simon is directing the actors. Sometimes the students swap roles, so they understand every part of the process. They don't have a lot of time, and they need to get it right, so there's a lot of pressure. This group have already finished shooting their film, and are editing it. Here they choose which scenes they want to use and piece them together with editing software. It's here that the film really comes to life. A film can take a long time to make. Over the last few months, these students have written a script, shot several scenes, and edited it all together. They have added music, mixed the sound, and created any special effects. Now, when everything has been done, they can sit back and finally enjoy the story.